Good day, fellow. Setsu is back. Today we are going to do what? Covalent compounds, chemical formulas. Then we are going to do covalent compounds, chemical formulas. Firstly, let us try to define the term covalent compound. We know that the covalent compounds, they are made up of what? Two or more nonmetals. Made up of two or more nonmetals. To be specific, it is a sharing of electrons between two or more nonmetals. Let me state that. The sharing of electrons between nonmetals. Nonmetals. You see? Then now, first thing that you must know is the following prefix. Mono. Let us start with mono. Mono means how much? Clearly one. Di means how much? Two. Tri means how much? 3. Tetra, 4. Then pent, 5. Hex, 6. Then hept means 7. Oct means 8. You see now. Let us proceed. Suppose if I give you a word carbon dioxide, then I ask you to write the chemical formula of carbon dioxide, then how are you going to do so? So simple. Firstly, you need to underline each and every word, like carbon going to be C, oxide we know is going to be O. Then how many oxide do I have now? You go to your prefix. I have two of them. Then it's so simple. If they did not state as to how many carbon do I have, you see, they did not state. You must know that it's going to be 1 carbon. But they stated for this one. Especially when starting naming, there is no need for us to indicate as to say mono, you see. But for di, it is very necessary for us to do so when we start, especially on this side, you see. Then we are going to write C. Oh, how many O's now? 2. You see. Then suppose now I give you carbon monoxide. See? Then how are you going to write the chemical formula for this one? See? I have C, I have O. How many C do I have? Only 1. Then it's going to be mono. But there is no need to write mono, especially when studying naming. See? Then it's going to be C. On this side is going to be just O. Why? Because the word mono means 1. There is no need for us to write 1. See? Then let us move to this one. Let's see now if I give you a word see if I give you a word dinitrogen pentoxide. How are you going to write this one? You see now, from di, it's very necessary to indicate di. But if it was only 1 nitrogen, we could have said nitrogen pentoxide. Now, because it's 2 nitrogen, we must write this di. Then let us underline our element, which is nitrogen, as well as what? Oxide. N with O. Then how many nitrogens do I have? I only have two of them. You see di, the way di means two. Going to write N2. Then now, as for oxide, how many oxide do I have? I have five. Let's see. Yes, five. You see, pentoxide means five. Then from here, you can just say O5 for pentoxide. I hope you understood. Thank you.